True luxury is ensuring every family member finds the most comfortable position during the journey. Based on an ultra-long wheelbase of 2,820 mm, the Jetour Shanhai L7 PLUS is equipped with the only 32-degree electric 7-seater seat in its class. It can be folded into 4 flat folding modes at the push of a button, transforming the car into a 3-meter-long supersized bedroom, bringing the comfort of home to every journey. The new car also features a luxurious large sofa from the same source as the Ideal, and the 12-layer comfort structure offers a cloud-like driving experience. The main driver's seat features 12-way electric adjustment, the front row features 10-point massage, ventilation, heating, and all other functions, and the second row seat not only supports 131 degrees infinitely variable electric adjustment for flat folding, but also ensures the family can enjoy comfortable comfort even on long journeys. It also features a built-in, smart dual refrigerator in the trunk, with a wide temperature control range from -6 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Whether it's an icy cola in summer or warm milk in winter, it can make your journey full of surprises and comfort. A comfortable ride is integral to a balanced and smooth chassis. It's equipped with class-leading CDC electromagnetic suspension that adjusts damping in real time 100 times per second. Whether over city speed bumps or unpaved rural roads, it can start without looking up and brake without shaking your head, and it's as stable as walking on a straight road, protecting your family with care on every journey. Range and performance have always been key concerns for hybrid vehicles. With its class-leading ultra-long pure electric range of 220 kilometers, the L7 Plus is a true electric vehicle in the city and only requires a weekly charge to meet daily commuting needs. Its 1,700 kilometers total range eliminates range anxiety on long-distance self-driving journeys. In terms of power, the entire range is equipped with a 1.5 TGDI high-efficiency hybrid engine as standard. Its excellent engine thermal efficiency of 44.5%, combined with the P1 plus P3 dual-motor configuration, delivers a total system power of up to 265 kilowatts, enough to put this semi-B SUV into the 7-second acceleration club. Whether overtaking on the highway or climbing mountain roads, it provides constant and ample power, making driving confident and enjoyable. Outdoors, it can also serve as a family, super mobile power bank. Its class-leading 6.6 kilowatts high-power external discharge function easily powers camping equipment like induction cooktops and coffee makers, allowing the family to enjoy a hearty al fresco hot pot meal. The vehicle is also equipped with 220V internal discharge and 50W wireless fast charging for mobile phones, solving power issues anytime, anywhere. A robust vehicle body is the first line of defense for families, and smart features make family trips easier and more enjoyable. Its rock-like body structure, with 86% high-strength steel, is unique in its class. The vehicle boasts a torsional rigidity of 25,000 Nm/degree, meeting safety standards comparable to Volvo. Furthermore, its Guardian safety battery, 20-ton crush-proof structure, and IP68 waterproof rating eliminate potential safety hazards at their source, ensuring robust and reliable protection on every journey. It also offers the only city navigation and memory parking functions in its class to address complex urban traffic and parking challenges. It can memorize round-trip routes of up to 100 kilometers and multi-level parking routes, enabling one-time, automatic everywhere driving. The new car also features the industry-leading 15.6-inch Sunflower central control display, which intelligently controls steering based on voice commands and always monitors the driver's orientation. The built-in intelligent AI voice model not only acts as an encyclopedia expert and private tour guide, but also accurately understands and executes commands, providing intelligent and intuitive interaction with family members.